Hello guys, this is the review video of AUTOONE LED headlights. These are available on Amazon. I will include the link in the description below if you want to try one of these. So this was sent out to me for a review. I will review this product and I will install on 2018 Mazda 3. This is the packaging. It comes with two LEDs, no external drivers. The drivers are inbuilt. It's made out of aluminium. The build quality seems really good. It's sturdy and there's some weight to it. You can feel it. There's a fan at the back to keep it cool, and there are 3 LEDs on each side, so there are a total of 6 LEDs on each bulb. And that's the O-ring to keep the water out, and that's some paperwork, their information. Today we will be installing this on 2018 Mazda 3 in low beam housing, that's H11. It's a projector housing. To install on the passenger side, just that's the bulb. Just reach for the bulb and just twist it. That's that bulb. I bought it from AliExpress for $20. I was just testing it out. And just twist it and pull it out. And to remove the wire, there's a tab on it. Just press it and pull it. That's the bulb. Same way, you just put the bulb back in and twist it. For the driver side, you can either install from the top or from the bottom. For the bottom, you'll have to take these plastic clips, and there are 2 Phillips screws at the bottom, and then just to reach the bulb through this wheel well. Remove this plastic cover. I have another video that I installed through wheel well. I'll link that video. For the top, just reach for the bulb, twist the bulb to your left, and it will just come out of the housing, and then you can just remove that connector. There's a tab on it that you will have to press and then just pull out the cable. You can either remove that connector while the bulb is still installed in the housing, or you can remove the bulb then remove that connector. So that's the bulb. That's the Oxito bulb I had installed before for a few years now. The new bulb is very similar to the Oxito bulb. To install, I'm connecting the cable first just to verify it's working. Sometimes you have to switch the polarity, so it's easy when it's not installed. So I have installed the connector first, and then there's a hole at the top, and from there you can see it. Just put the bulb in the housing and then twist it to your right. Like so. Twist it to your right, so it's locked in place now. Yeah, this is how it looks in the housing. So this is how these LEDs looks during the day. These are still really bright during the day, especially if you look straight into the bulb. These are the aftermarket side markers I install. To install these, if you want to install these, you will have to install these through the wheel well, taking out these plastic clips. So this is the video at night. Yeah, it seems really bright. This is the footage of the road. There are no street lights, so just want to see how bright these are. These do covers the roads really well. You can see a lot brighter, and the light is white. So this is while the car is parked. Just want to show you guys how far the light can reach. So you can see there is a clear cutoff line, so it won't be blinding the oncoming traffic. So if you want to try one of these LEDs, I will put a link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Cheers.